Homemade body scrubs to try for glowing skin. Exfoliating should be part of your skincare routine as it helps with keeping your skin looking smooth and radiant. It also promotes better blood circulation while reducing the chances of breakouts too. Although there is no shortage of scrubs in the market today, they may contain ingredients that may be a bit harsh on your skin. You're better off using organic body scrubs since they are made from natural ingredients that can help remove any dirt buildup on your skin without being too harsh. If you are the type of person who prefers to do their own beauty products, then these homemade body scrubs are worth trying out. Sea Salt's Body Scrub. What's great about making your own scrubs is that you will have better control over the ingredients such as in this recipe. You will need a cup of sea salt, 5 to 15 drops of essential oil of your choosing, and half a cup of olive oil. Mix all of the ingredients in a small bowl until you achieve a coarse mixture. Cleanse your face first, then apply this scrub. Massage in a circular motion for about 15 to 20 minutes with a minute or two in between. Wash it off afterward and apply moisturizer. Vanilla Rose Sugar Scrub. Vanilla is known for its antibacterial properties while rose can moisturize the skin, treats dullness, and even boost collagen production. In this recipe, you will need 3/4 cups of white sugar, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of extra virgin coconut oil, and 5 to 7 rose petals. Put the rose petals, sugar, vanilla, and coconut oil in your food processor and pulse the contents 5 to 10 times or until you have mixed everything up. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil if you like. Stir afterward and transfer contents in a glass jar with a tight lid. Use a spoon to scoop up the scrub to avoid contaminating the rest of the mixture. Coconut Oil Body Scrub. This is another excellent exfoliating scrub that will not only remove your makeup and other debris from your skin, but it will also help keep it soft and smooth. You only need 2 ingredients for this, which are 1/4 to half a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of coconut oil. Combine the ingredients in a small bowl until you get a coarse mixture. Apply this on your clean face and massage gently using your fingers for about 5 to 10 minutes. Wash afterward with lukewarm water. Chocolate Sugar Scrub. This luxurious scrub sounds delicious because who can say no to chocolate, right? Chocolate has been found to contain antioxidants that can help make our skin look great, plus it has a nice scent to it that will make this scrub an enjoyable treat for the skin. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of white sugar, coconut oil, brown sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a tablespoon of cocoa powder. All that you have to do is to mix all the ingredients in a small bowl until you have reached your desired consistency. Transfer the contents in a glass jar with a tight lid and store it. You can scoop the contents with a spoon and use it to scrub your face from any impurities. Making your own body scrubs is a great experience and one that you'll find more rewarding for your skin, especially when you already know that the ingredients can nourish your skin. The best part is that you can make them anytime you want without costing you a lot of money.